The primary goal of this project is to improve the safety of pedestrians who commute and walk on Anthony Wen Drive daily. From our personal experience and observation throughout the school years, this segment appears to have issues uh, with unsafe bus systems, car buildup during peak hours, speed in school zones, and other factors are some people do not obey the traffic laws, and the distractions from texting and calling. Therefore, pedestrian protection involves a lot of complex strategy and comprehensive road design. So someone has to do something, including the government, concerned citizens who want nothing but the best for the city of Detroit. So by bringing everyone together, we can create a meaningful impact and save countless lives for pedestrians and drivers. When researching and analyzing our result, we have introduced four recommendations for Anthony Wayne Drive segment, as well as as well as the city of Detroit to take action in order to reduce car accidents and increase pedestrian safety. And first recommendation would be add more street signs because most people most driver don't always pay attention to the sign. By installing more street signs, it will increase the driver yielding and help the driver with potential hazards will appear ahead. The second recommendation would be create a bridge across from Anthony Went Drive. Since many students who live on campus will benefit from this bridge would be the permanent solution at keeping pedestrians out out of the street and cars from the pedestrians. The third recommendation would be to remove street parking, and this will give the pedestrian more space to walk and more freedom in rush hour. And and based on the result, our recommendation will be implement proposal number two, which is implement a pedestrian walkway or bridge. The reason why we choose this proposal is because it is eliminate all vehicle and pedestrian interaction. Although the proposal is very expensive, no amount of money is no amount of money is worth a human life or even a tragic accident of any kind.